is a tiny country, but we have a large variety of climate areas. In Israel, you can ski in the north. By noontime, take the car, drive all along the Jordan Valley, Dead Sea, to the Red Sea, and in the late afternoon you can swim in the Red Sea. It means that even in agriculture, we have so many climate areas, including deserts, arid areas, semi-arid areas, and that makes Israel a kind of a laboratory that we offered India to take our experience, what goes good and what went wrong in terms of agriculture. And if you want to make mistakes, make new mistakes. And that's what, grosso modo, was the main discussion today with the Minister of Agriculture here in India, Mr. Chauhan.
You talked about